I'm not going to claim this was an easy project, particularly because SwiftUI forced us to think in a very different way from UIKit. Not only do we have the declarative, reactive approach to logic, we also have things like @state, environment object, two-way bindings, and so much more. It's a combination of really powerful Swift language features, plus a wholly different UI framework for folks coming from UIKit. Now in this project, I've tried to introduce you to a wide range of features at the same time, including lists and stacks and text and images and modifiers and forms and navigations and alerts and more. But even though I've ultimately only built a fairly simple app, I hope it helps you appreciate the power of SwiftUI and how it makes it relatively easy to build real-world projects quickly. Now, if you've enjoyed this brief exposure to SwiftUI and you want to learn more, I have a massive free course available to you online called the 100 Days of SwiftUI. Look on the screen right now for the URL. It walks you through 100 days of building code with a thorough introduction of Swift and then building project after project after project, all real world projects, helping push you to get more and more out of SwiftUI with core data, animations, and so much more. It's really packed and there's challenges, there's videos, there's tests in there, and so much more. It's completely free at that URL. Go and check it out. And if you want to see my completed version of this project, you can find that on GitHub at the URL you can see online, github.com/2straws/idine. Check it out. I'd love to hear back from you some more if you enjoyed the video. You can follow me on Twitter. I'm @2straws. I'm also on Mastodon. If you use that, that is mastodon.social. I'm 2straws there as well.